Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys password and biometric setting. And today video title is guys how to remove face lock in oppo mobile. Friends, you want to remove face lock in your oppo mobile, so how to remove face lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, you don't want to use face lock in your oppo mobile, so friends you can remove face lock. Unlock your phone first of all. After unlock phone, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. Friends, in your oppo mobile, open your phone password biometric setting. After open password and biometric setting, friends click here face lock setting. Enter password. Oh sorry, 1233. After enter password friends, you want to use face lock on your app lock. You want to use face lock on your private safe, so you cannot use. First friends, you will have to set your privacy password. Then friends, you can use face lock on your app lock setting and on your private safe setting. And if you have screen lock setting, so friends you cannot use face lock on your lock screen. So friends, click here face lock setting and delete. After the face lock will remove and you cannot use, you want to use again friends, you will have to show face. Then friends, you can start face lock. Then you can use face lock in your oppo phone device. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting, we can remove face lock. After remove face lock friends, you want to add fingerprint lock, you want to use fingerprint lock, so enter password. After enter password friends, you can add fingerprint and you can use it in your oppo mobile. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting, we can remove face lock in oppo mobile. And friends, you want to set privacy password, so after set privacy password friends, you can use app lock setting, hide app setting, private safe password setting, you can use it in your oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.